Well, good morning and welcome to Travels with the Russells.
Morning.
And today, on our cruise, we are in Hong Kong. So we're going to have a wander around. Come and join us, see what it's all about.
Well, it's Nigel and Julie, a fun-loving pair. In their 60s, they don't have a care. Retired from the hustle, now they're home free.
So we arrived at the Hong Kong cruise terminal, which actually used to be the airport. Kai Tak cruise terminal. So this area just outside the cruise terminal is called the Sky Park. So it's a raised park. Have a quick look at that. Quite overcast today, but it is warm, quite humid, but a very grey sky, as you can see yourself. So there we go, cruise terminal. And the Millennium cruise ship. So there's these information kiosks here at the Sky Garden. Press it. English.
Welcome to Kai Tak Sky Garden. The following are instructions on how to get to the bus stop, Ground Plaza and Kai Tak Cruise Terminal, design concept of Kai Tak Sky Garden, Fountain Plaza, wind
Okay.
turbines.
So overlooking Hong Kong Island. Unfortunately, it's a bit misty, but I'm sure you can make out the some of the buildings over there, the skyscrapers. Actually, we're not too far away from the cruise terminal. Corridor of skyscrapers. You may be wondering why these skyscrapers are all just lined up both sides. Well, remember the cruise terminal is right down there at the bottom, which used to be the airport terminal, and this was the runway. So they've simply built on what was the flat, straight land of the runway, put this road and this park, this raised park, down the middle, and skyscrapers either side, one overlooking Hong Kong Bay and the other one overlooking the harbour. Amazing. Kai Tak Stadium. Episode 6942 of Manifold Covers of the World. Hong Kong Athletics track. Old Kowloon. Slowly being pulled down and modernised. What, in a cake? Or a famous egg sandwich? This is the Grand Waterfront Plaza. Always worth a look about. So we're going to jump on the North Point ferry. There's the times and the prices. It is worth noting that you can pay on something that they call an Oyster card, I think, is it? Octopus. Oh, oysters in London, isn't it? So, Octopus card, or you can pay the exact fare. So, obviously pay when you get off. Let's go. Waiting facilities. So, much nicer inside than it looks from the outside.
It is.
And we're off.
Yeah.
The old Millennium at the old airport, or the cruise terminal as it is now. So, across the fragrant harbour to Hong Kong Island. Such a shame it's such a grey day. Live fish, lobsters, there you go. Nice crab. So this is the entrance to the North Point ferry. Oh, North Point, Hong Kong. Shopping centres, Java Road, Market. Excellent. Fancy a fish? Well, we're getting into the flowers now, so it's a bit more fragrant. Bit more fragrant. Well, health and safety gone mad. Bamboo scaffolding and a bit of string holding it together. Lordy, lordy. Well, the mist has lifted a little bit. Get a better view there. Looking over at Kowloon. Victoria Park. Two giant golden horses. So now as we meander our way back to the North Point ferry terminal, get the ferry back over, and done a lot of walking today, and we've got to walk from the ferry terminal back to the ship, so talk to you more on the ferry. So, back on the ferry to Kowloon, and again, looks a bit rubbish as the ferry, but when you get inside it's very nice.
Nice, yeah.
very few other people on board, but it probably takes 500 people, so
Yeah. I mean, it goes every 15 minutes.
30 minutes.
I thought when we were going, oh no, that bit at the side,
Yeah, 30 minutes. Anyway, we'll be back on our next vlog with our second part of Hong Kong. So hopefully a bit more temples and a bit less skyscrapers. But,
Well, the skyscrapers are there anyway. They're not going anywhere, are they? But yeah, we'll see some temples hopefully.
all right, well, we'll see you again. Bye.
Bye.
Well, the sun's arising in the morning light, grabbing our bags, we're ready for a flight. Got the map laid out on where will we go. Cyprus calls our names, it's the place we love so. From the UK skies to the Mediterranean blue, we share our adventures, just me and you. With a camera in hand and a smile on our face, we capture the moments, it's our traveling pace.